Hi there, this is Maneesh Vijaya from PM Pulse. In our spirit of ensuring that people pass PMP exams before it changes after December 2020, we brought another absolutely power-packed initiative called PMP Dash. Of course, looking at the situation right now, these are not going to be traditional live trainings, but we are going to use and harness all the features of online trainings. So we call it PMP Dash LiveWire. It is not going to be a webinar, it is going to be interactive. In PMP Dash, we are going to ensure that we will cover the entire PMP only from the point of view of not only preparing for PMP exams, getting ready for it, but acing the PMP exams. That's how confident we are about PMP Dash. We've done this before. Imagine, we've been around since 2007. We are a global registered education provider working in 16 countries spread over 3 continents. And we've done these kind of courses before. And we've had immense success. I mean, think about it. There is a reason why I have over 22,500 certified professionals to just my personal credit. Okay, enough with tom-tomming myself. But seriously, this particular PMP Dash is actually meant to ensure that you clear the exam with confidence very quickly. All right, so what's the duration of this initiative? 16 hours. Yes, you heard me right, 16 hours. That's all you require. Now, these 16 hours could be spread over 4 days with 4 hours each. We'll have different versions of it, or you can utilize your entire weekend, just one weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and you guys are good to go. So how do we do it? See, this is not a 35 contact hours training. We are going to expect that when you join PMP Dash, you guys already have that certification. In fact, we would prefer people who have already got their PMP exams application already approved. And they have this exam, which is in just a few days or just a couple of weeks. They are the perfect candidate for PMP Dash. We will go through all the important notes of PMP. We will go through knowledge area, wise knowledge area. We will go through 200 questions. Yes, 200 questions will be covered. Of course, not together, but spread over, but full 200 questions will be covered during these 16 hours. We'll also give you the most important and the most popular ITTOs that show up in the exam. And that's not enough. We'll also provide you access to PMP Exam Simulator, one of the best in the industry, which has got curated and one of the best questions which are very similar to the PMP exam questions. Not only that, there is something more. We are also going to give you access to our audio platform, PM Dhwani. PM Dhwani has a couple of packages. One of them is Ninja Notes. We are going to give you access to that. All of this will make you ready in just a few days after this PMP Dash. Literally just a few days. In fact, if you have already been practicing on questions that your speed is high, after this PMP Dash, you will be able to give the exam the very next day. Yes, I'm that confident. However, what we recommend is keep at least 2 days gap. Now, why do you need it? Once we have prepared you with all the notes and ITTOs, which are extremely popular for PMP exams, you need to practice them on real PMP-looking exam simulator. You should use those 2 days to prepare and also listen to the amazing Ninja Notes which are available to you on audios. And after that, just attempt the PMP exams and call me with the good news. Interested? Give us a call or just write an email to us. The emails are provided. You'll be surprised about the pricing. Let that be a little secret right now. This is only meant for those people who actually approach me, and we are going to keep all the other training institutes away. This is your best bet to make sure that you clear your PMP exams comfortably before it changes after end of December 2020. See you there at PMP Dash. This is Maneesh Vijaya from PM Pulse, who are extremely innovative about everything that's got to do with project management. Thank you for watching.